the laws of exponents for real numbers. We have known that a to the power n, that means a into a into a into a n times. We have already known. So today we will discuss the laws of exponents for real numbers. The first laws of exponents for real number is if a to the power m into a to the power n, that is equals to a whole to the power m plus n. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4, that is equals to 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is equals to 2 to the power 7. Let's another example. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 is equals to 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, because here is the n is 2 by 3 and n is 1 by 3. Then 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 to the power 3 by 3 is equals to 2 to the power 1 equals to 2. Let's another example. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5 equals to 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 equals 2 to the power 10 plus 3 by 15 equals to 2 to the power 13 by 15. Now we will discuss the second law. The second law is a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. This is second law. Now we will discuss some example. Three to the power 1 by 5 to the power 4 is equals to 3 to the power 1 by 5 into 4 equals to 3 to the power 4 by 5. Let's another example. 1 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7 equals to, we know that if 1 by a to the power n is equals to a to the power minus n, so 1 by 3 to the power 3, we can write it 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 7 is equals to 3 to the power minus 3 plus 7, because we know the second law. The second law is a to the power n whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. Therefore 3 to the power minus 3 into 7 is equals to 3 to the power minus 21. Let's another example. Find the value of 9 to the power 3 by 2. We know that 9 equals to 3 into 3 is equals to 3 to the power 2. So 9 to the power 3 by 2, we can write 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 by 2 equals to 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2 equals to 3 to the power 3 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. Another example, 64 to the power 1 by 2 is equals to 64 equals to the square of 8. So 64 is 8 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 2 equals to 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. Then 8 to the power 1 is equals to 8. Let's another example. 32 to the power 1 by 5. 32 to the power 1 by 5. 32 is the 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5. 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5 is equals to 2 to the power 1 2. Next, another example. Find the value of 125 to the power 1 by 3. 125 to the power 1 by 3. So 125 is the 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3 equals to 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 equals to 5 to the power 1 or 5. I will discuss the third law. The third law is a to the power m by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Let's some example. Example 1. Simplify 7 to the power 1 by 5 by 7 to the power 1 by 3. Solution. 7 to the power 1 by 5 by 7 to the power 1 by 3 equals to 7 to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 7 to the power 3 minus 5 by 50. 7 to the power minus 2 by 50 equals to 1 by 7 to the power 2 by 50. take another example. 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4 equals to 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to 11 to the power 2 minus 1 by 4. 11 to the power 1 by 4. Let's another example. 5 to the power 2 by 3 upon 5 to the power 1 by 5 equals to 5 to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 equals to 5 to the power 10 minus 3 by 15. 5 to the power 7 by 15. Now I will discuss fourth law. The fourth law is a to the power n into b to the power n is equals to a into b whole to the power n. Now take some examples. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 which equals to 2 into 3 whole to the power 3 equals to 6 to the power 3. Example 2. If 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2 equals to 7 into 8 to the power 1 by 2 equals to 56 to the power 1 by 2. That's another example. 5 to the power 3 by 4 into 6 to the power 3 by 4 equals to 5 into 6 whole to the power 3 by 4. 30 to the power 3 by 4. Okay, these are the laws of exponents for real numbers. There are 4 laws. The laws are being discussed and how we have take another class and some other examples.